Okay, here we are. Alright. Those are garbage. Okay, that's the condition. Oh, and this is our maleta. This is the kitchen. Electric panel. Ayun po yan. May refrigerator man. Okay. Tapos may ano to? Basura. Microwave. Okay. Cabinets. Ayan. Oh, may mga kwan pa. Ayan. Okay, so itong ginawa ni John, partition. Tapos dito, nilagyan niya ng kwan. Kwarto. Ito. Okay. Nilagyan niya ng kwarto. Okay, tapos ito yung okay. Another room area. Ganon. Yan. Tapos ito yung main. Tapos nandun yung mga garbage.
Pinch your screen.
Pinch it. Yeah, it's already.
No, that's max.
Yeah.
It's max.
Yeah. That's the aircon nga. Hindi naman gumagana. Patay mo muna siguro.
No.
And this is the bathroom. Okay.
Oh, now it's on.
Now it's on.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, 24. Yeah.